Tired of paying full price? As a thank you for your service, Verizon offers a significant military discount. And I'm going to show you how to snag it right through the Verizon app in just a few easy steps. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the My Verizon app installed on your phone. If not, head to the App Store and update it now. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines in the corner, or sometimes it's your profile picture. This will open up the main navigation. Now scroll through the list until you find Account and tap on it. This will take you to your account overview. Look for a section labeled Discounts or Military Discount. It might be under Billing, or even a separate heading. Verizon sometimes moves things around, so scan carefully. Tap on that to proceed. You will now be directed to a page detailing the eligibility requirements generally. This includes active duty members, reservists, veterans, and retirees of the U.S. Armed Forces. Be sure to review these requirements to ensure you qualify. Next, you will need to verify your military status using IB. If you don't already have an IB account, you'll need to create one and follow their instructions to securely verify your service. The app will guide you through this process. Once your verification is complete, the discount will be automatically applied to your Verizon account, and you'll see a confirmation screen. Congrats! You are now saving money every month. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.